Mr. Paul, before you take the codeine, I want to discuss some important information. Codeine is a narcotic pain reliever that can cause drowsiness and dizziness.
Okay, Mihira, I'll keep that in mind.
It's crucial to avoid driving or operating heavy machinery while taking codeine. The medication can impair your judgment and reaction time.
I won't do that. I'll be careful.
Additionally, codeine can interact with other medications you might be taking. Please inform me of any other prescription or over-the-counter medications you're currently using.
I'm also taking medication for my high blood pressure. Is there a concern?
Yes, there could be a potential interaction between codeine and certain blood pressure medications. We'll need to monitor your blood pressure closely while you're taking codeine.
Mihira, is there anything else I should know?
It's important to take codeine as prescribed and avoid increasing the dosage without consulting your doctor. If you experience any unusual symptoms or side effects, contact your healthcare provider immediately. I completely understand your concern about whether Emma might need antibiotics, especially when she's clearly uncomfortable. But Mihira, I want to reassure you that in many cases like this, there's no immediate need for antibiotics. At this stage, we don't have signs of a severe or confirmed bacterial infection. Most ear infections in children are mild and often caused by viruses, which means they tend to clear up on their own with simple supportive care at home. Using antibiotics too early or unnecessarily can sometimes do more harm than good, such as causing side effects or contributing to antibiotic resistance. That said, it's still important to keep a close eye on her symptoms. If her fever doesn't settle within the next 48 hours, if the pain becomes more intense or spreads, or if you notice any fluid leaking from her ear, especially if it's pus or has an unpleasant smell, those could be signs that the infection is becoming more serious. In those situations, it's best to bring her back for a review, as further medical treatment may be needed. Your attentiveness is really important, and you're already doing the right things to support her recovery.